Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about how to use your Notepad in Windows 11 tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you how to simply add bulletin into your Notepad in your Windows 11 PC. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular text right here, life is good. I want to add bulletin, which can be number or point. So for that, I light on the text, come to the top right here, and you have a bulletin list or better still numbering list. So if I click on bulletin list right here, if I press enter and I go ahead and type in another sentence right here, I press enter key again and I type in another sentence. So the more you continue, the more it's going to add bulletin right here. However, you can switch from bulletin to a number. For that, go ahead and select all the text, come back there and choose number. You have it right here. It's that simple. So this is how to simply edit your text in bulletin or number in your Notepad in Windows 11. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.